Question of the day is, will it chainsaw?
One eternity later.
Kind of. It chainsaw. Hey guys, I hope y'all liked that video on Will It Chainsaw. That's our first video ever. We're starting up a YouTube channel. It's going to be pretty exciting. We're actually a professional tree service. We're just trying to find ways to engage and make people laugh and share. Please follow us on our adventures. We're going to break down what's going on with the chainsaw, what's going on with the chain, if we could sharpen it, if there's any damage to it. It's going to be pretty exciting, and there's other props coming up. So stay tuned, like us, subscribe, and follow, or share, or click, or whatever you got to do. Whatever everybody says, do that. Enjoy.